Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. A good deal. Features also include heated seats, keyless entry, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2016 MKC. The Lincoln MKC is a stylish and nimble-handling luxury crossover vehicle. With a long list of standard features, the MKC is sure to please. The exterior and interior offer a contemporary look that is sure to turn some heads and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.